where we. Sorry, a little out of breath. We just took the bird scooters and I don't know, what was it, like 15-degree weather? It's very cold. Yeah, I'm just wearing a hoodie because I didn't want to carry anything around. So, yeah, welcome to PRI. There's a lot of things, there's a lot of people, a lot of cool cars. Getting oddly jealous? You want some?
Yeah, I don't have $400 a tire.
$400 a tire? He's walking away.
It's awesome to see you guys at the racetrack.
I also know.
Goals?
Yeah, for sure.
But you know what, man? I know you said you want that house, but you can't drive a house.
That's why you get
That's why you get a Miata. Look at that race. Oh yeah. Oh my god, yeah. Dude, the status seats. And this is right up your alley. This is what you transitioned into.
That's different.
Yeah, you're not a Daza guy anymore, dude. You're all about the Hondas. What are you talking about? I'm impressed.
Give me the keys.
I'm more interested in that.
Bet you are a nerd.
Look at that.
If I was a nerd. What? A Supra?
I don't know. I want to hear this run.
I don't think they're.
I want to hear it run.
I'm cool against every Supra except that one.
What's he doing?
On the bottom.
Hey guys,
Hey,
how are you?
just sneak by.
Good, how are you?
We came by a couple times before when you were out making friends.
Making friends, yeah. I got something here.
We grabbed our
We got
stuff
them.
before.
No, I got you something.
Oh,
I'm going to give you guys each, oh wait, that's in there, some to hand out, and you can pick who you want to give them to. So there's an 8.
Perfect.
I'll give you some too, Tim.
okay.
Alright, so that's a 15 shorty.
But then you get 5% back too. And what we
And I already gave you, that's a 12 shorty.
like last quarter,
There's an 18.
300 people.
Alright, so literally just as you guys are out and about, especially if someone remembers the Where's the Welder, that was part of EDGE Army, you want to give these to them. How far away is you guys? Are you recording?
We're about like 7 minutes down the road.
Yeah. Except we took bird scooters here.
And,
Did you video of that?
no, I will next time. All right, here. $5 if you can guess who welded this intake manifold. 100%. 100%.
That's Tom for sure.
All right, Tom. I hope you're coming to PRI.
He is coming tomorrow.
This is one of the things I wanted to see. Oh, shut the front door. I don't know. It's really interesting. What are you gonna do with the rear engine? God, look at that. That's beautiful.
Oh, so this is probably all of
I know. It's you didn't make it. It's not your car. If your name's not on it. Here it is. First time seeing the Maserati though. I mean, he can fit both of us in there. That's the cool thing. But it's been a while since I've seen Federico. I was hoping to catch him. I think the Maserati looks sick. What do you think? I'm a big Ferrari guy for his professional car, but I think this is pretty hot.
basically Ferrari.
Yeah, basically, just 4 doors. Oh, of course, we had to pick the one with the Ethernet right underneath it. Oh, that feels good to sit down, dude.
This is my favorite part of PRI.
Favorite part of PRI is when it's not PRI?
Yeah. No, I just like sitting in the stadium. It's my favorite part. Get drunk in the stadium.
That was pretty cool, actually. He can swing better. Alright, Austin, the hole's over here. Oh, me? Over here, over here, over here, over here. There you go. Who's we?
Y'all playing horse? Yes. Holy hell. Family business.
Yeah, I would not spend that kind of money to take out of work. I mean, I would take it out.
Yeah, we've got Asheville and all that where we're at. It's kind of the same way, but yeah, with our scientific side, we do. This was an easy product for us because we're used to hitting tolerance.
Stainless steel aluminum too.
I was gonna ask you, are you gonna do both?
Yeah, I think so.
Why not, right? Yeah, might as well.
I didn't even know
It's a machine shop part.
I just like the feel of steel too.
Yeah.
Oh really?
Oh yeah, that's a different for sure.
I'm still playing if I like figuring out the half the Y blocks too, so you can do it like even like that fit together. And the diameter. It's a lot of different ways.
Yeah, that's super useful. Wow.
Keeping the lifter on the camshaft and then down and then back. That lifter is keeping it on the camshaft.
I can see you're very impressed.
It's definitely look way better than the front. Yeah, I saw that front.
Pretty good.
Here we are, PRI 2024.
Don't say that.
Exactly. Well, they made it happen. Doesn't take much of it. Turbos, race cars. Okay. Thank you. They're all going very
There was a group, it was like the Jesse Holmes Foundation.
How's your first almost said bad tech. How's your first PRI with a booth?
amazing.
Very successful. A lot of people. Friday was busy. You guys were packed.
Yeah, it's been busy.
Yeah.
This is-
Thursday was slower. You had more professionals coming through, and they were beelining it from one place to another. Then yesterday we just got slammed, and now today it's been really consistent also. So far it's been a really good show. We're pretty happy with it. I think we'll be back next year.
Next year we're going to go 10 by 40. We're going to do, something like that. Everlast will have 2, we'll have 1 against SPs. Have them all by each other, trying to get over by Brian and me. That's really good, and it helps Eric and I are very passionate about the performance industry. Anything fast and racing, totally everything.
Yeah, that's what we're starting to realize too. That FabTech, you know, it's an entire industry where you can hit everything.
Yeah.
But this is like every person's building race cars. Everybody's doing something sick.
Exactly.
So it's very
That's
cool.
where our shop is too. Our shop is surrounded by race teams. We've got everything from pro mods to late models to performance shops of all different kinds. So we have hot rod shops. We've got high-end hot rod shops too, like grade 8 cars. And so
It helps the Z-Max and Charlotte Motor Speedway are literally 20 minutes.
and we're right across the creek from a drag strip. So we've got an 8-mile drag strip that's 100 yards away
Just
from
at the
us.
back door, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's pretty sick.
So yeah, this is our people.
Yeah. A lot of good demonstrations in the booth.
Yep.
A lot of people using the cups.
Yep.
A lot of people enjoying them.
Yeah, it's been really
We've had a lot of people ask us, seeing our sweaters and everything, like asking about EDGE Cups and where the booth was at. So definitely getting the name out, yeah.
Good, we like that.
Yeah, actually having a booth probably helped out a lot.
Our thing is finding solutions for people.
Yeah. Yeah, having all the custom cups available
Yeah.
definitely helps out, like hit a lot of these little niche markets, so especially for race cars.
Well, and what we're finding also is it's not just the guys doing race cars, it's the guys who have a job shop, and that's what supports their habit of race cars.
Yeah.
that's not really
So,
Yeah.
yeah.
Very cool.